Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to open Brothers' Secret Vault assortment of fireworks. I bought this for about $80, which I thought was a really great deal considering the size of this. It is full-size big assortment, and right in front you can see that there is at least one 200-gram cake. Well, it's time to open the secret vault and find out exactly what we're not seeing here and what we are seeing here. Also show you the other side. Down here, of course, we got sparks inside the vault. It does not list the items, notice. And that's upside down, sorry. But we're just gonna show you how this comes out. And if I was really strong, I would take that out, but it's too heavy. Must be all cakes, right? Let's take a look. All right, got the box out and got the package out. And here's what you can see. Let's start up here. Kaleidoscope. This is a little cake. Just broke the top there. 8 shots. Kaleidoscope, aerial, jackrabbit fountain, dandelion hybrid, balls and sparks. This one, just sparks, showers. Sparks and flaming balls, garden of spring, garden in spring, desert at night, shoots flaming balls. It's got a fountain up here. I think it might just be flaming balls. Go over to the next level. In the mix, aerial. Strange little hand here. That's 15 shots. Top banana. This is a fountain. And here's how this looks. There's another one right here. Same oddly configured box fountain. Town Talk. Looks like 7 shots, maybe. High Flyers, another 7 shots. Value's looking good here. Let's get on to the next level. Another aerial promo. About 7 shots again. Here's the big one in the dark. Left in the dark, I should say. Let's do the color Pearl by Brothers. It's nice to see all these Brothers versions. That's Ariel. Here's the smallest, Crazy Carnations by Brothers. 6 pieces. Got 50 shot Saturn missile battery. Brothers. There is the other oddly shaped box fountain. Last Man Standing. You get a thing of Roman candle called Torchbearer. Odd by Brothers. You get Troubled Waters. This is a pretty decent box fountain here. Finale fountain, of course. You actually get a pretty good amount of powder in these tubes. It's a heavy base at least. So that should have a long duration there. Oop, there we go. Then we got our cone fountains. Number 3 cones. Doesn't say if it's silver or gold. We got 2 of them. We'll light one in this video and I'll save the other. Spurs. Cockfighting. Oh, Brothers. That's fountain, and then we got another fountain called Crazy Horse. So, I think we got a pretty good value for about 80 bucks. If you look, some of these items go for $10, $15 a piece retail, and I counted it all up starting with the fountains, and I got up to there, and that's about where $80 landed. All the rest I hadn't even started counting. So let's go light some of this off. Start you off with crazy carnations. Gonna do the smallest first. We've got a ground spinner that blooms red, then yellow, then green, and then yellow. Let's try one in a box. Wow, perfect spin in a box. Now outside the box. They spin pretty good. Moving up quickly now to torchbearer. Performance, red stars, green star. Okay, might have been 8. All right, new section, folks. We're doing fountains. Smallest fountain is this cone. By no means it is, might not be the smallest. Red flame with silver shower. Wow, that was huge, real tall. Top banana is next. Performance, red and green stars, silver chrysanthemums with red stars, titanium flowers with red flame crackling with red and green stars, silver crackling with red, green, and blue stars. Top banana. Another box fountain, horizontal. Performance, titanium flowers with red flame, golden glitter with blue stars, crackling chrysanthemum, red stars, with chrysanthemum with red and green stars. And I'm going to give you a look. And check out the look of the fusing on this. They're spaced apart. It's not the same in this one. Windy. Jackrabbits. Silver chrysanthemum with red stars. Silver pine needle with red and green stars. Silver crackling with red and green stars, and silver chrysanthemum crackling. Troubled waters. Titanium flowers, red flames, silver pine needles, red with yellow stars. Crackling chrysanthemums, red stars, silver needles, red stars, chrysanthemums with red and green stars. This is a hybrid dandelion. Red stars, green stars, silver glitter, whistle, red and green stars with crackling. I just found out that these two are actually hybrids, which is good, so I don't miss anything when I record it. I can go widescreen. So first we got spurs. Again, it does have flaming balls, and kind of see the tubes. Titanium flowers and yellow stars. And Crazy Horse. Titanium flowers, red and green stars, hybrid. Good color. Garden in spring. Red and green stars, silver chrysanthemum, red and green stars crackling. Wow. Good power on it. Desert at night. Performance emits showers of red and green stars and white glittering for 10 seconds, and then shoots up red and blue stars, each 3 times. Desert at night. Good red and blue. We've got 48 shot color pearl. red green tail, silver crackling stars at the end. Folks, I'm going to have to do the rest of these aerials in part 2 of this video. I will post a link in the description once it has been posted, and I need to switch formats when I video the aerials so I can capture those upright. Groggy D signing off. Bye.